Buying a home in the UK as a foreign national can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of advice out there, some of it helpful, but a lot of it misleading. We've worked with hundreds of clients who came to us after being told they weren't eligible, or after hitting a wall with their applications simply because they made a few mistakes early on. And the truth is, most of them were totally avoidable if you knew what to look out for. At First Time Finance, we've helped over 400 homeowners procure mortgages with a 99% approval rate from application to mortgage offer and over £126 million in mortgages secured. And in that time, we've seen the same issues come up again and again. One of the biggest mistakes is waiting too long to find out if you're eligible. So many people think you need indefinite leave to remain or years of UK history before you can even consider buying. But that's really not the case. Now, we've helped loads of clients get approved with as little as 6 to 12 months in the UK, some even sooner than that. And of course, it's all depending on their visa type, income, and overall profile. Another mistake is leaving your UK credit too late. You don't need a perfect score to get a mortgage, but you do need something. So that means opening a UK bank account, getting on the electoral roll, so the voters roll if you can, and ideally having some form of credit, whether that's a credit card or a credit builder card. We also see people going straight to high street banks when they want a mortgage, right? So you're banking with the bank and you think, right, great, I'll go and speak to the bank directly. But that's not a great thing to do because a lot of these lenders just don't understand mortgages with visa holders. And you're very likely to hear from them that you need 3 years UK address history or a 25% deposit. Now, there are lenders out there who do specialize in foreign national mortgages. Of course, you just need to know where to look. But that's exactly what we do here at First Time Finance. So we're here to help people that have migrated over to the UK to match their situation with the right lender from the start. Another costly mistake is not budgeting for everything. So it's not just the deposit that you need, but you'll need legal fees, stamp duty, survey costs, mortgage broker fees as well. So if you don't factor these in early, it can really throw you off and it's just additional cost that you'll need. Now, one more thing we hear all the time is I thought I needed to wait until I had permanent residency. You don't. We've helped clients on skilled worker visas, spouse, health and social care, dependent, and even graduate visas get onto the property ladder. I would even add student visas into that as well. And this is generally with deposits as low as 5 to 10%. So it's not about waiting years, it's about understanding exactly what's possible now. So if you're on this journey and want to avoid these common mistakes, you need to do so by getting the right advice early. So we're here to guide you with clarity, honesty, and support at every step of the way. If you're still unsure on where you stand, drop your comments below or any questions. We'd love to help in any way we can. And of course, if this video has helped, please do share it with someone else who needs to hear it.